Hello, smoothies. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. This video, I'm very excited. Like, I'm literally jumping up right now because I'm a makeup artist. Like, I'm a professional makeup artist. I work on a lot of people, and because of that, I use a lot of beauty blenders. I use brushes too, and my 11-year-old daughter, she helps me with washing my brushes, but beauty blenders needs more attention, needs to be squeezed all the time, needs to be really washed all the time. So because of that, I'm always very lazy to wash my beauty blenders, like I'm being honest right now. But in this video, guys, you're going to learn how to wash your beauty blender without stress. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, like literally easy way to wash your beauty blenders. Without further ado, guys, let us go straight to this video. But if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. Click on the notification button and drop a comment if you have any question, and I will definitely reply to all of the questions. Thank you, guys, and make sure you watch to the end. See you all later. Bye bye.